Today we're making caramel chocolate cookies. Mix some sugar and water and cook this to a nice amber caramel. Once this has reached a nice amber color, add some butter and mix well. Watch out, this can spatter. Once this is all incorporated, add your heavy cream and mix well. Mix in your salt. Cover this with plastic wrap and let it cool. Now let's move on to the cookie dough. We're gonna add some butter to a pan and make a brown butter. You do this by cooking butter till it's nice and brown. Once it's finished, let it cool. Once it's cool, we can move on to the next step. Add your sugar to the bowl, put on the whisk attachment, and slowly add your butter. Once this is all mixed in, you can add your eggs one by one. This is all done at medium speed. Once it's all incorporated, swap out your whisk to a paddle attachment. After that, add your flour and mix slowly. Once this is all mixed in, you can add your pecans and your dark chocolate. Mix this all on low speed. This needs to be chilled for at least half an hour. Meanwhile, we can preheat our oven at 210 degrees. After half an hour, let's make our balls of 250 grams. Flatten these out a little bit and bake these for 8 minutes and then take them out. After those 8 minutes, we're gonna add some caramel to the cookies. Just pipe it in with a piping bag and put them in the oven again for 6 minutes. After the 6 minutes, let them cool down and then we can move on to the finishing. I just added some blobs of caramel and some pecans and they're ready to eat. Enjoy! Thanks for watching and see you in the next episode.